namamu siapa? You can call me Budi. What's your name?
My name is Danu Sanisi. You can call me Ita. Are you student here?
Oh yes, I'm a new student here. I'm majoring in management one. How about you?
Me too. I'm also majoring in management. Oh no, it's a fun book.
Why? Do you have to go home?
No, I have to go to work.
Really? I also work a part-time. I work at Alfamart. And you?
I work in a restaurant as a waiter. What do you do at work?
I'm a cashier at Alfamart.
Okay, I have to go now. See you later.
Yeah, thanks.
You too.